Hey loves, welcome back to my channel. So today I'm back with another video, and thank you so much to Madam Glam for sending over these really beautiful polishes. I have made some videos with them in the previous past, and I absolutely love their consistency, their quality, and also their great ingredients, how they don't test on animals. They're cruelty free, vegan, 9-free formula, and also HEMA free. So absolutely amazing product quality, just so rich and thick and creamy. You guys will see for yourselves. The polishes are outstanding. I have no complaints. These remind me a lot of another really amazing brand called Nail Addict LA. They both have such amazing, those are probably the top two most best quality gel polishes that I've tried. It has to be those two, but Madam Glam is just so amazing. Like their formula, how thick, creamy, and rich their formula is absolutely amazing. You guys will see when I'm painting the actual nails and everything. It's just so amazing, honestly. Definitely really happy to be working with them, and I will have another video with them coming very soon because they're actually coming out with another new collection, so I'm super excited to show you guys that as well. And by the way, I just went ahead and chose these 4 colors. They asked me to choose some colors, and I just chose these 4. I thought they're very beautiful. And yeah, here I am showing you guys what they look like swatched. This is only one coat as well, and now I'm just placing on my Nail Couture. Some people ask me what nails I use. These are the Extreme Square Nail Couture nails. They go for $20 on his site. I absolutely love these nails. They have to be one of my top favorites. I love how they're pre-etched. The shape is impeccable. Absolutely amazing shape. You literally have to do no shaping to these. I personally didn't do shaping to these at all, just because the shape is just, it doesn't get better than that. And now he came out with like these 5XL Extreme, or like maximum, I think it's called maximum extreme, no, maximum square or something like that. I definitely have to get those. But yeah, I haven't shopped his site in a while, but he has amazing things. His nails are the best, hands down. But yeah, definitely check out Nail Couture. But anyway, so now I'm just starting off with the 3 colors that I'm going to be using in today's video, and I'm just randomly placing them, you know, accordingly to how I like on each nail. And I always recommend this stand just to work better. I really like these stands like this in particular, just because they level out the gel polish when you're doing like press-ons, or also if you're doing the lazy girl method and you're using poly gel, they're amazing for that as well. It self-levels itself, so absolutely love it. And then today I tried something new. As soon as I was done with each individual nail, I went ahead and quickly flash cured it. And the reason behind this is just that I found how it maintain the shape so beautifully, so that is the reason behind that. And now I'm definitely going to be doing that. As soon as I apply the polish, I'm going to go ahead and flash cure it for it to keep its shape. And then once I'm done painting all the nails, I'm going to go in for a overall cure under the lamp for 60 seconds. But I definitely love this method because one of the big things with gel polish is that you can easily lose the shape of the nails just because they bulge up on the free edge or on the cuticle. So I absolutely don't like when that happens, so I decided to just try it out this way, and I really like it. So I'm definitely going to be doing that. So that's just a tip for you guys if you're interested. As soon as you're done placing on the gel polish and each individual nail, flash cure it really quickly and then keep going, and it will keep your shape together, which is exactly what it did. So I'm glad that I just tried that out and it worked out very nicely. But yeah, here I'm just going to continue painting on the nails, and let me know what you guys thought of this particular nail set. And by the way, happy late Thanksgiving to everybody. I hope everyone had a beautiful Thanksgiving and just a nice day, and I hope a lot of people did a lot of shopping for Black Friday. I know today actually is Black Friday, but I hope you guys went shopping, and if you didn't, that's okay as well. I hope you had a nice relaxing day or a long weekend. But yeah, here I'm just going to continue to paint the nails, and I'll see you guys very soon. So these are what the nails turned out like after I was done painting them. And next I did take out this little tray of watercolors, and I hadn't used these before, but I did purchase quite a few on AliExpress a while ago, and I wanted to try these out with this particular set, and I did go ahead and use a matte top coat as well. I wanted these nails to be matte, so here I'm just gonna go and apply the matte top coat, and then we'll be back and use these watercolors. And by the way, I am not an expert at using these watercolors because that was probably the first time that I had used them. I don't recall using them, and all I did was grab like a dampen dish and put some water in there with a brush, nail art brush that I had, and I just dipped a little bit of water in the watercolor I was using, like if I'm doing like an actual watercolor painting or something. And then I just did whatever I thought looked good. So yeah, I really liked how this design turned out. It really reminded me of like an abstract painting, so I really enjoyed the way that they looked, and I hope you guys did as well. This is a very simple look, but I really enjoyed it, and I hope you guys do as well. So here I'm just going in with my brush. I dipped it in some water, and I am just going with the flow, literally. Whatever I thought looked nice, that's exactly what I did. So I'm just going to be repeating this for the thumbnail, the middle finger, and the pinky finger. And then the other two nails, the pointer and the ring finger, I did just leave matte. But yeah, I really like the way that this looked, and I thought it gave it a really nice touch. Like I mentioned, I'm not an expert at these. Maybe I'm using them wrong. I don't even know. But the set did turn out to my liking, and yeah. Now I'm just going to continue showing you guys me doing some abstract work. And yeah, these are actually really fun. I recommend anyone to just branch out and test out new products like this. I was going to go for the marble inks, but I decided to try these out since I hadn't tried them out and I had them. But yeah, I love branching out and just trying new nail art products that I could use for my sets, and this is definitely one of them. So now I'm going in with some Blossom cuticle oil, and that is it for today's video. And by the way, you could top coat these with matte top coat or just shiny top coat on the parts that you did, but honestly, you just wait a couple seconds for the watercolor to dry, and I just left them like that. But obviously you should top coat them. I just did it for video purposes because I didn't want to like eliminate the shine from the gold, but you could definitely do so. Take your time and top coat them however you desire. But that is it for today's video. Thank you guys so much for watching. Don't forget to hit that like button to let me know you guys enjoyed. Hit that notification bell to get notified every single time I upload, and subscribe if you haven't already. It would mean the absolute world. Thank you guys once again for tuning in and watching. I'll see you in the next upload.